Hello everybody, today we are going to have a look at the Vaporous RDA from the Wotofo, two colors here. Open the box and here is the giveaway card for the Wotofo t-shirt. And the user manual written in multi-language. Well, take a look at this RDA. Two colors here, black and stainless steel silver. Take a look at this RDA. Nice, the black one. And here is the GT adapter. It can change to use the A10 GT for the gong Kennedy. And here I take one A10 GT here to show. Look nice, huh? You can buy GTX from 3FW. Now we take the black one to demonstrate. Take a look at the size. 24mm in diameter and about 36 in height. The GT is about 18mm. Take out this and take a bar and GT and the sleeves. 4 holes for air control and 2 holes on the sleeve. Measure this 6.3mm and the 4 holes on the top cap, 2 in 2 sides. Well, yeah, 2 sides. You can adjust to have your air control. Take a look at. I'll switch to adjust to fully open, and then you can have a narrow air hole. Take a close look at this building deck. 4 holes for coil building and 2 cans. Did use well the insulator. Take a look at the bottom, the center pin gold plated. Unscrew the screws. You can have multi kinds of building on this deck. Unscrew the screws and you can build this deck using the clamps, just like gong RDAs. And also you can put the coils into the hole and have your own building, just like the picture shows. Okay, screw it back. I'm not going to build here as I'm not that professional on this. And let's put it back together and take a look. Entry text. Well, here are these 2 RDAs. Thank you and hope you like it. Bye.